Hey, what's up and welcome to another YouTube video. My name is Nick, and in this video today, we are going to be exploring a book buyback program. And I actually have not looked into this at all, but one of my friends on Instagram reached out to me yesterday and was like, hey, check out this book buyback program because they have some good stuff. They give good money for books that are restricted or textbooks or in high demand books. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go through all of my merchant fulfilled inventory, and I'm going to see if I can just flip these books really fast on this book buyback program. And so I'm going to actually jump into my Instagram. I'm going to screen record the sign up process. I'm going to be going through my friend Miles's affiliate link, so that way he'll get a little cut from the company when I sign up and if I sell any of my books back to this company. And so the little bit I know about it is you go through and you search through all of your books. I'm assuming you scan them or put the ISBN numbers into the app or the website or whatever they have. And then when you go to check out, they give you a free shipping postage, and then you put that on your box, you ship it off. I don't know when you get your money. I don't know if it's instant or if it's once that stuff ships. I don't know. And so we're going to explore this today, and we're going to look at another way to make money online fast by flipping books. All of my books I pay $1 for. Some of the older books that I have that are hardbacks, I paid $1.50. So my goal is if I have a book that will sell for $2 or more, I will send it. Like, I'll just be done with it. A word of caution with this, you got to be really careful that whatever books that you pull to sell back to these buyback programs, that you actually take it off of your Amazon account so that way people don't buy the books that you've already sold. Yeah, so that's something we have to pay really close attention to. I'm really excited about this video, and I'm looking forward to maybe making a few bucks today. So let's jump into my phone. I'm going to screen record this and put it up here on the side of my screen. All right, so I'm going to start the screen recording. I'm going to jump into Miles' Instagram account. I know in his link tree are his affiliate links. Let's see here. BooksRun, that's what it's called. BooksRun textbook buyback for restricted books. We'll go in there. Here we are. So I'm going to first sign up with an account, maybe. Sign in. We will register. I'll put my email in here. Successfully registered. Cool. So I'm in. It says to enter ISBNs or title or author. And so what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to link my Bluetooth scanner to this, because the Bluetooth scanner will allow me to scan the barcodes in, which will go a lot faster than typing. I'm not sure how long it will take for the search process to go through. I know with some of the other apps that I use for buybacks, it takes a few seconds for it to actually register. This is not like scanning through an Amazon database. I have my eYoYo 1D Bluetooth scanner right there. I'm gonna pop the battery in. I always take my battery out when I'm done using it, because the slightest touch of the button will turn it on, and I don't want my battery running down while I am scanning, or while I'm not scanning rather. So I have this. We're gonna click that button and give it 3 or 4 seconds. Boom, we are linked to the phone. And the first thing I'm gonna do is just grab a box of books that I have the items listed on eBay because they're restricted books. So let's do it. I have a couple dozen books in my office here, and then I have a couple hundred in my shed. Sad news, my shed actually leaked water because it rained really bad over the past few days, so some of my books got wet, and that's going to be part of the workday today, cleaning that up. Let's see what we get here for this. All right, I'm not quite sure how to sell this back yet. Let's see here. Still learning. That's what this video is all about. I want you to kind of go through this learning process with me so that we can discover how this works together. Okay, so there is an app. I'm going to open the app. View that. I'm going to download this app because I want to be able to function fast. Speed is the game, right? Speed is the game. All right, guys, so we have the app downloaded. BooksRun is what it's called. It says easily scan or search your textbooks. They said they sell other things besides textbooks, so we'll see. I would like to access my camera, okay. But because we're using the Bluetooth scanner, we don't have to use the camera. All right, so now going to go through this, searching this. Scan ISBN. Why is it not scanning? Maybe it won't let me. All right, they're not buying this book. Got it. I guess that's how it goes. It'll just tell you if they're scanning or not, or if they're buying rather. Not buying. Okay, so that's actually really cool. This goes kind of fast. You don't have to keep opening. Not buying. Not buying. All right, we'll just keep going. Let's see. Auto add to cart. Okay. Enter this ISBN 0393099369. You earned, yeah, $227. Awesome. That's great. Add to cart. So now we're going to go back in and continue scanning books. Dang, it's kind of upsetting that it won't let me use my scanner through the app. It lets you through the website, but not through the app. Anyways, it comes with this scanner right there. It comes with the scanner that you can scan your barcodes, and it's pretty fast. Not buying. Not buying. Okay, so they're not buying a lot of stuff. This is not very exciting. Okay, video games don't work. I've got this management textbook. Let's see. Okay, so we're going to use our Scotty peeler. Hey, just so you guys know, all of the tools and everything that I use in this video are linked down below if you want to pick them up. Scotty peeler just peels off stickers basically to make your life easier. All right, so we have 978-007-80-29-332. I would earn $0 from this. Okay, they're not buying it. That's why. Boom. Let's go back to our barcode. I'm going to scan through the rest of these quickly. Let's see. All right, so we have 4 books in the cart that equals $967. It's these 4 books right here. I think I went through 30 or so books and pulled 4. And so I'm gonna go out to my storage shed where I keep all my merchant fulfilled books and just go through these. This might actually be a really smart way for a lot of beginners to just jump in and start making money right off the bat. We'll see how this goes. Let's get down into my shed and check it out. All right, we're here in the shed. Let me show you what we've got in here. I've got this whole stack of books here that we can go through. Some of these got wet, like I said, from the rain that was coming through the corner of the wall. So a lot of those, like from here that way, are damaged. Not sure about this side. I'm gonna go through those today. All of these, I'm gonna scan through. And then I have all these up here. I just picked these up this past week. And I know for a fact that one of them here is a $100 book on Amazon. So we're going to see what we can sell that back for. Pretty excited about that one. Let's check it out. Let's see what we get. So I still have my phone pulled up here. And we will scan through and search more of these out. I am noticing though, this app is super glitchy. And so I keep having to shut the app out and then restart it. Not sure why that is, but it's happening. So I'll actually set this right here and go through my books quickly. This app is super buggy. Maybe we'll submit a little, yeah, it won't even let me scroll through. Okay, so my total is up to 60, so I'm thinking that they're gonna give me like 40 bucks for this. Maybe 50, which I'm good with because I paid $1 for it. We're gonna keep scanning through this stuff. Hey, I'll jump back in to the video once I'm done scanning all these. All right, guys, so I went into my shed. I scanned through maybe a couple hundred books, and it wasn't great, but I did get a few more. And so I'm gonna go through this list. I'm actually gonna go through the website to get there because it is way too buggy on that app. So let's see here. I'm gonna go to sign in. I will sign in. Where's my coffee? I left my coffee downstairs. I'll be right back. I'm back. All right. Listen, my goal with this is sort of to see how much money I can get from these 9 books. And then maybe, depending on if it's worth my time, we can experiment with this, to go out and try to find more books to flip instantly. If they cash out right away, then that would be a great plan and idea. If they don't cash out right away, then it would not be a good idea. As soon as you open this app, as soon as you open it and you go down to your cart, it instantly freezes. There's nothing you can do. You can't check out, can't do anything. Like, it's totally locked up. So I clicked on Miles's Miles' link, his affiliate link, so he will get 6% of that $60, which is a couple dollars, and that's super exciting for him. And I'm happy to help him out that way. So what I'm doing is I am signing up as an affiliate, and I'm done signing up. So hey, if you want to try this out and you want to experience this app and all of its amazingness, then click on the link in the description of this video and you can sell back some books and help me make a couple dollars. Yes, it will be the second link in the description of this video. I found the problem. You cannot go through the app. You have to go through the website. You have to go through, oh, and I can use my scanner now. Dope. Gotta go through the website. It makes it easier. And because it's the website, we're gonna get to scan with the barcode scanner. Boom. Get cash immediately. Yes. Boom, boom, boom. You do have to tap an extra couple times, I guess. That's fine. Sell, get cash immediately. Boom, boom, boom. Sell, get cash immediately. Whoops. Boom, boom, boom. Nice. Nice, bro. I feel like they're losing money on some of these. Cool. 47. Sell, get cash immediately. Yes. Whoops. There we go. So yeah, the website is way more smooth than app. The app is horrible. I'm just going to delete it. It's not good. Sweet. All right. Cool. That is done. Let's see if we can cash out for this. Whoops. What am I doing? All right. So we're going to see if we can cash out. Let's see. Scroll to the bottom. Our seller cart has 864.43. We agree to terms and conditions. How do we pay you? Let's go. PayPal. Yes. Finalize order. Account details. This, that. Follow the steps below. Print the free shipping labels. Pack your book. Take packages to USPS. And they even give you a map of where all the USPS stuff is. That's pretty rad. All right. Here we go. We've got our shipping label here. So exciting. When you print your shipping label, it prints the packing slip with it. I have a box here. I'm going to pack these in there and hopefully get these on their way. That'll be awesome. All right, so that is that. Sold some books, took them off of Amazon so that no one buys them. And let's see how that goes. I will follow that up in a few days. Hey, I hope you guys enjoyed this content. Let me know if you're interested in selling books back like this or if you think it's a waste of time and money. Really interested in hearing what you have to say about that. Listen, I'm thinking of starting a new mini-series, kind of an ongoing thing called What Sold Wednesday, WSW, I guess, I don't know. But basically it would be every Wednesday I would do a recap video of what sold since the previous Wednesday. Let me know what you think of that idea, and maybe we will push that out next Wednesday. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit that like button if you did like it, and then be sure to consider subscribing if you're not already subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next video tomorrow. Later.